We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the Kavaas Gamer neon sign, a standout piece of gaming room decor that has captured the attention of gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. If you own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. This neon sign is designed to elevate your gaming setup with its vibrant glow and stylish gamepad design, making it a popular choice for teenage boys, kids, and even nostalgic adults who grew up with iconic gaming consoles like the PlayStation. Let's dive into what users love about this product and some areas where it could be improved. The Kavaas Gamer neon sign is praised for its ability to instantly transform any gaming space into an epic entertainment center. Mounted on a high-quality clear backboard with pre-drilled holes, it's incredibly easy to install and move around. Users have highlighted its plug-and-play functionality, which allows you to simply hang it on a wall and plug it in using the included USB cord. The sign emits a magical glow that adds a cool touch of color to any room, creating an inviting ambiance for gaming sessions. One of the standout features of this neon sign is its brightness. Many users have noted how vibrant and colorful the light is, capable of illuminating an entire room when all other lights are turned off. This makes it not only a decorative piece, but also a functional light source. Parents have mentioned that their children love using it as a nightlight, although some have pointed out that its brightness might be too intense for overnight use. A dimmer switch or adjustable light levels would be a welcome addition for those seeking softer lighting options. The design of the neon sign is another aspect that has received widespread praise. Shaped like a game controller, it appeals to gamers of all ages and fits perfectly into gaming-themed rooms or caves. Users appreciate the variety of controller options available, allowing them to choose designs that resonate with their favorite consoles or childhood memories. The PlayStation-themed design has been particularly popular among nostalgic gamers who grew up with the PS1. Durability is another strong point for this product. The LED neon tubes are handmade and built to last at least 50,000 hours, ensuring long-term use without the risk of overheating. Users have reported that the sign feels sturdy and well-made, despite being lightweight enough to hang easily with thumbtacks or other simple mounting solutions. The clear backboard adds to its aesthetic appeal while providing stability. In terms of usability, the Kavaas Gamer neon sign has been described as straightforward and hassle-free. It comes with a USB cord that is long enough to reach nearby outlets, making it convenient to set up in various locations. However, some users have noted that the power adapter is not included, which might require an additional purchase depending on your setup. As for gifting potential, this neon sign has been a hit as a birthday or Christmas gift for young gamers. Parents and relatives have shared stories of how excited their kids were upon receiving this item, often describing it as cool and awesome. Its ability to enhance a gaming room's atmosphere makes it an ideal present for tech lovers and gamers alike. Despite its many positive attributes, there are a few areas where the product could be improved. As mentioned earlier, the brightness level might be too high for some users, especially if they intend to use it as a nightlight for younger children. Adding a dimmer switch or adjustable brightness settings would make it more versatile and appealing to a broader audience. Additionally, including a power adapter in the package would eliminate the need for an extra purchase and enhance overall convenience. Overall, the Kavaas Gamer neon sign is a fantastic addition to any gaming setup or bedroom decor. It combines style, functionality, and durability in one package, making it a must-have for gamers who want to showcase their passion while creating an inviting space for gameplay. With its vibrant colors, easy installation process, and long-lasting performance, this neon sign has earned high ratings from users across various platforms. If you're looking for a way to upgrade your gaming room or find the perfect gift for a gamer in your life, this product is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to support our channel and explore more details about this item. And if you already own this neon sign, please share your experience in the comments below. Your feedback can help others decide if this product is right for them.